again with another video. Today we're going to a car meet tonight, and we're gonna wash the car, probably run it through one of the little touchless car washes, and get it all cleaned up for this meet, because I didn't get a chance to do it today. It's cold, but yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all some cars and some other little stuff, maybe somebody does burnouts or something. Hopefully I can get that footage for you. We're gonna get y'all going. But yeah, stay tuned for the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video and my last video. And don't forget to go and subscribe to Sinkaynation. Check out our other channel, our family channel as well. Yeah. So make sure y'all stay tuned for this beat and a few others. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video right now. So yeah, I made it to the little meetup spot. Let me show y'all some of the cars. Here go mine. Beans. Good.
Bro, I gave nigga all three of my IDs, concealed carry, my veteran license, and my driver license. The nigga was like, oh, I don't need that.
Boy, Mo. And Toretto 392. But yeah, so we about to head over to this meet real quick. Y'all stay tuned. But yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all some of these cars. Real nice cars. So check this out. Don't y'all forget to go subscribe to Sinkaynation. Damn, that green hidden. Well, when it got the wicker bill put on, and the diffuser, and the tips, and got some coilovers. Boy, look at this. Toretto 392. Shout out to the boy. What'd you say? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did.
Man, this lime green one right here is nice too. Hellcat red eye. Yeah, I like that. T-Rose. I thought about it too when I first got here. Yeah. Look like a Karuma. You play too much GTA, bro.
Get that boy sitting. Oh, okay, yeah, I got you. I hear you.
Look at this dog. Look at this dog. Look at him.
This smash burger.
I know, huh?
It look good like that though.
I guess it did all right with that wash. I know. As y'all see Cam with me again, and K back there. Look.
That's awesome.
But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If y'all like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to Sinkaynation as well. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you share the video. And be more meats, more bangers, more everything. So yeah. SinLife out.